This video is about the Favorites tab. Now you will see the Favorites tab both in the profile form lookup tables. You'll also see it in your search lookup tables, both direct access and the binocular search or the find tool. Now I'm going to start by introducing it to you here in the profile form when I'm saving a document. Click on the Save button, brings up my profile form, and if I click on the Client Lookup button, you see that I default to my client table, which is a rather large table. Yours may be made up of hundreds, maybe thousands of entries. So if I click on the client favorite, I'm going to see a much smaller table. This does grow over time, and it does grow beyond what we're accustomed to, or a standard 20 entries. Items get added to this list both when we make a choice in saving a document or making a choice from the lookup table, and they also get added when we perform searches, either a direct access search or the profile form search. So there may be occasions where you want to start to pare down this table and remove entries, and that's done by simply right-clicking on an entry, choosing Remove from Favorite. Now if you would like the Favorite tab to be the default tab that pops up when you enter this table, just right-click on top of it and choose Set as Default. This favorite setting will carry now in the profile form as well as the search forms or the search tools. Each one of these lookups then has its own favorite tab that would have to be set. So I'll go into Project, I'd have to right click on Project Favorite tab, Set as Default, and the same thing with Doc Type. Right click on Doc Type Favorites, Set as Default. Now those changes that I've made here are going to carry over to my search tool also. If I go to File, Open, and I click on my binoculars or my search tool, do a full profile search, you'll notice that when I go into the lookup table for client, it's defaulted to my Client Favorites tab. Likewise, the same thing is true of Doc Type and Project. In a typical legal environment, you're working with a client matter structure, as I see here, so you would set your favorites on Client Matter Doc Type. That will conclude your introduction to the Favorites tab.